Hey you guys, so today I got my Lush Kitchen subscription box, and so now I'm going to open it, and this is the March 2021 subscription box. So it says the spoiler card on the top says Dream On Sleepyheads, and so I'm going to take that off. And on the other side of the spoiler card is what is in the box. So you can see that. And I'll read it. It says we have Smaragadine Bubble Bath Shower Gel. We have shaved ice. I'm so excited because I've been wanting to get the shaved ice since it was secretly on the UK site a couple of months ago. And then there's this one that says Sleepy. It's something in the Sleepy scent. It's that red and black rectangle. And then we have Smuggler's Soul. And then we have Yummy Mummy. Okay, so what is this? Look at this. Oh my gosh, isn't that the coolest thing? I did not expect this. This is a Sleepy Dream Journal. Sleepy Dream Journal. It says, a bath time ritual will help summon those Z's for a deep sleep and a head full of dreams. Studies show an afternoon bath is best to conjure up slow wave sleep at bedtime. Be sure the water is warm. A hot bath helps our body temperature to fall, which we need to make us feel sleepy. Add your favorite bath bomb or bubble bar. For complete dreamy vibes, apply Beauty Sleep face and body mask, light candles or incense, and if you wish, listen to a Lush guided bath bomb meditation. You can find them on your YouTube channel, or you can listen to one of my guided meditations. When you're ready to turn in, place your Sleepy Dream Journal next to your bed so you can record your dreams as you awake. Writing or sketching out your dreams can become your creative muse to help you manifest the life you want to create. Share your wildest dreams with us at #LushKitchenSubscription. Sweet dreams, sleepyhead. P.S. Using this journal to manifest the odd shopping list is perfectly fine too. Because one of the saddest things about the COVID rinse is the dousing that everyone's dreams have had. Still, this is the time when it suddenly looks like you can get a shop a bit cheaper. Ask a redundant friend to help create a website or get qualified to work with nature. I must admit, I literally dream product formulas. The last one, Beauty Sleep, was number 10 in the Lush sales chart last month. I will be writing down more dreams in 2021. That's from Mark Constantine, Lush co-founder and inventor. This is awesome. So you can write down your dreams in your dream journal. I love the color. It's very sort of sleep inducing. I love this. I love this. I did not expect this. Oh, look, and there's places you can draw things too. There's a lot of sheets for drawing. Oh, this is nice. There's some blank sheets as well for drawing. I love this. Oh, like bath art that you can color. So that's awesome. I really like this. So that is the Sleep Dream Journal from Lush. Love the color. Next is the Smaragadine Bubble Bath. And like I showed you guys on Instagram, Smaragadine, it was many years ago, decades as a matter of fact, when Lush had Smaragadine for sale. So I'm excited about this. And for those of you, here's some trivia. Smaragadine, as I wrote in my blog, is part of the Super Tramp ingredients. So Smaragadine plus Tramp shower gel make Super Tramp. Did you know that? So yeah, here's some trivia for you. So if you like Super Tramp or Tramp, you may like Smaragadine. It's got those same sort of green earthy notes. Oh, it smells so good. It's not sweet. It's green and earthy. And the ingredients are rose petal, lavender flower, peppermint leaf infusion, orange peel, patchouli, pimento berry oil, petitgrain oil, ginger oil, sandalwood oil, and celery seed oil. Nice. So you just pour this in the bath as the water is running into the bath, and it makes bubbles. Lush has 2 or 3 other liquid bubble baths that they've made in the past. They have a blue sky and fluffy white clouds liquid bubble bath, and they have a bathos liquid bubble bath, and a couple other things. This one is called Shaved Ice, and it's a solarium scented charcoal shaving cream. So my husband's gonna like this, I have a feeling. It says close encounters demand a close shave. Perfumed with the fiercely suave solarium fragrance, this cooling menthol cream does wonders for your skin and your confidence. This has rose water, oat milk, olive oil, cocoa butter, neroli oil, rose oil, oud oil, oak moss, sandalwood, and menthol crystals. It says you pair this gel-like cream with a sharp blade and get plenty of hot water on your razor. Use long, sweeping strokes that leave clear skin behind and finish with a hot towel. The stimulating menthol cools the skin during and after shaving. So those of you who have the Lush Perfume Solarium will know what this smells like. Oh, nice. Ooh, I like it. I think my husband's gonna smell nice when he shaves with this. All right. Next is the Smuggler's Soul facial scrub. And I have a scent family photo that I took of Smuggler's Soul. So here that is. And I remember using this facial scrub. It's very thick, as you can see. Very, very, very thick. And it has, of course, the Smuggler's Soul sandalwood fragrance. It says how to use. Gently scrub this natural bamboo stem extract exfoliator all over your face to buff and brighten before rinsing off to leave you radiant. This has bamboo stem extract, argan oil, extra virgin olive oil, fresh papaya juice, organic rosehip oil, rosewood oil, sandalwood oil, vetiver oil, lemongrass oil, shea butter, and tagetes oil. I don't know how you say it. And then next, we've got the Yummy Mummy body conditioner, which I love. I made a Yummy Mummy scent family photo, so here's that. And as you can see, of course, it shows the Yummy Mummy body conditioner. It says, take a generous handful of the organic almond oil softness and smooth it all over your body. Enjoy the sweet aroma before rinsing away. So after you shower with soap or shower gel and then rinse it off, stay in the shower while you're still wet and rub this all over your skin and leave it on for a minute and then rinse it off, and your skin will be moisturized but not overly moisturized. It'll be conditioned and it literally just sinks right into your skin. It doesn't leave any kind of greasy residue afterwards. So that's why I love it. And of course it has that addictive strawberry scent. So ingredients are organic almond oil, fair trade cocoa butter, muru muru butter, fresh strawberry juice, geranium oil, Brazilian orange oil, and tonka bean absolute. So it's very sweet and very strawberry-ish. It's one of my favorite Lush fragrances. I love everything in this scent. It's the same scent as the Roller Bath Bomb. So that is Yummy Mummy Body Conditioner. I'm excited. I voted for this. I also voted for Smaragadine. And lastly, so this is one of these bath oil tablets. I have a page on my Lush blog all about the bath oil tablets. I think I have about 11 or 12 bath oil tablets from Lush on my blog. And this one is so cool. Ooh, this one is the Sleepy / Twilight scent bath oil tablet from Lush. It's so cool looking. It's almost like, this is one of those things that's almost too cool to use, but I'm definitely going to use it and make a tub demo video because I have a feeling this is going to make really cool kind of bath oil from Lush, and it's in the Sleepy scent. Very exclusive. It smells just like Sleepy and Twilight. So we've got Smuggler's Soul facial scrub, sandalwood, Yummy Yummy body conditioner, shaved ice shaving cream, Smaragadine bubble bath, and the Sleepy bath oil tablet. It's a solid bath oil. And then we have the Lush Dream Journal. So I think my favorite product here is the Sleepy bath oil tablet. That's really awesome. They've never sold that or never made that anywhere at any time, even exclusively ever. So that's a real treat when there's something that's very exclusive that was only made for the Lush Kitchen subscription box. So that is the only thing in this box that I have not tried before. So I'm really excited. So I'm liking this box. So what do you guys think about the products in this box? Did you vote for them? Did you not vote for them? Are there any nice surprises that you think are in there? So I can't wait to demo the bath oil and the Smaragadine bubble bath and the shaved ice. I've already demoed the Yummy Mummy body conditioner on my YouTube channel and on Instagram. And I've already demoed the Smuggler's Soul facial scrub on my YouTube channel and on Instagram. So I have a video dedicated to just those products specifically. I have one video for Smuggler's Soul. I have another video for Yummy Mummy body conditioner, and you can do a search on my YouTube for those or in my blog or on Instagram. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon on the next video. And for those of you who have ASMR and like to watch ASMR videos, I'll be doing an ASMR version of this Lush Kitchen subscription box on my other channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon on the next video. Bye-bye.